Hi, welcome to another daily dose of Jace tutorials. So in this video we are going to take a look at CDBurnerXP. It is a great Windows DVD maker alternative. So I really miss the Windows 7 Windows DVD maker, but you know, when you upgrade to Windows 10, you won't have any burning software on it, disk burning or disk maker software on it, because most computers nowadays don't come with a disk drive. So here is the software. When you open it up, you can do a data disk, video DVD. You can do an audio disk. You can also create your ISO images for installers and stuff if you need to. Copy or grab a disk. So that's pretty cool. And then erase a disk. I'll put a link in the description below. The software is free. It's really cool. I highly recommend it. It's got good reviews also. It's kind of hard to find a simple and easy to use DVD burning software, or you can do CDs. So that's what makes it so cool. I'm just showing you guys a little bit of the settings. Also, if you guys have like VSDC video editor, you can export to or burn to a disk directly. There's a lot of software out there. CDBurnerXP I highly recommend for its simplicity. So in this video we are going to do a data disk as an example. So just a quick video. So when I open up data disk, all I have to do is let me drag some files in. So I got a couple of files here on my desktop. I got a couple of audio files and a couple of Word documents. So I'm just going to control and click about 4 files. Nothing too crazy. And then now I'm just going to click add right here, that green plus sign. There we go. So you're going to see the files. Very simple. And then all we got to do is click burn. So I did put in the blank disk. Here's the disk drive that I'm using right there. So I have an external drive, and then I'm going to burn. I put the blank disk in, and then I just press burn. Pretty simple. So I also want to burn speed 24 times. I want to just finalize the disk, what I usually do. So it's 24 times burning, so it should be pretty quick. Not as fast as a flash drive, of course. And then at the end I just want to eject the disk. Well, usually I do a shutdown computer, but it doesn't really matter. Burn disk. Should take about, let's see how long it's going to take. I think it's going to take like a minute or so if I'm not mistaken. Because it has to write it, prepare to write, it's going to write the disk, and then it has to finalize the disk. So, look at it go, it's pretty fast. Finalization, closing disk. So yeah, if you're old school and you like to burn, if you still have a CD player in your car and you like to use CDs, highly recommend this software. If you like to create DVD videos as well, this is good. This is great. So, it looks like it's done. So that is pretty cool. Burning process successfully completed. Total time, less than a minute. Pretty awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys enjoy burning CDs. There's a lot of software out there. This one I highly recommend just based on personal experience. So really appreciate everybody watching. Thank you everyone. Take it easy.